Today, connectivity is like having tap water at home. You expect to have it. It's there.
Virgin Media O2 helps facilitate people to live their day-to-day lives. You want to be able to phone your loved ones, you want to be able to sit down at home and watch TV or record your programmes and catch up as and when you can.
We have 50 million customers across the UK today. They expect speed, quality of service. They also expect that customer-centric approach that they get from the digital native companies.
Virgin Media and O2, both market leaders in everything that they do. Those two coming together have just made a massive supertanker.
The merger happened on 1st of June 2021. Identity became a challenge very quickly.
Bringing two companies together, talking 50,000 users across the estate, we had to find a way to give everybody a new Virgin Media O2 identity.
We needed to put our employees as headpin. If you don't have a great experience, how can we give that great experience to our customers?
The responsibility is huge to get the business working. People want access to everything from day one.
We had 32 identity silos.
We also have 900 plus applications. We have different types of integration with them, so we need different tools.
You cannot turn a supertanker into a fleet of speedboat going to the same direction when half of the staff are still belonging to a different identity. By moving people onto Okta, we were able to work as a single organization.
It simplifies everything for everybody.
Doesn't matter where you worked previously, you can access that system through your one Okta credential. It's the miracle cure for everything that we needed to do.
Okta allows us to put protections on legacy applications that don't support modern authentication.
It not only gives us data hygiene in terms of knowing who are the real people in our environment, but also our compliance obligation.
Having that Okta logo on that login screen and remove the need for passwords, it's making everybody's life more secure.
Through the Okta journey, we were able to identify our true identity cost.
The future with Okta is exciting. It will make people's life quick, easy and simple, but give us that security and reassurance in the background.
Without Okta, I have no business. All you need to do is produce the cool experience and the cool product that we need to put in front of our customers. And that butterfly effect happens just like that.